Hello and welcome to my channel. This video will show you how to add your Sonos speaker if the Sonos cannot be found. If you have changed wireless system, Wi-Fi password or anything else, or it's been a long time to turn on your Sonos speaker and suddenly it cannot be found. So if you try this, you will see that it wouldn't be fine, so you have to reset it. So I will ask you to leave the screens like that and go and try to reset the speaker as I will show you. It's very simple, although it might be complicated at the beginning. We're gonna use only two buttons, this and the back one. So we're gonna hold and press this, and we're gonna press the back button for 1 second, and after release it, and after while still I'm pressing this. And you see when I'm doing this, it will be shown on the screen next. So let's start. So basically you have to turn it off before you start this procedure. So press and hold this button, and after turn it on by pressing 1 second, and after leave it once turn it on, and you will see now the light, it will blink, and after it will change color. That means it's resetting, and after continue pressing this until you find it. See on what's happening on the next screen. So you see that when you hear this sound, it means it has been reset successfully, and you can find it on the next screen. So it means you have successfully reset your Sonos ROM speaker. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Let me know if any comments.